Hi, I'm Nick Sinclair from the Wealth Fund Group, and today we're here to talk about how to reduce your tax. Most people don't understand that they currently work about 2.5 months a year for the tax office, which works out to be approximately 78 days a year. Like Kerry Packer once said, pay your tax, but don't ever tip the ATO, because what do they do for you? So what actually is a tax? A tax is something that we all have to pay from earned income. So what do we need to do to actually reduce your tax? Most people aren't even aware of what our tax rates are, let alone how to reduce them. So one thing we're going to show you today is what are the different tax rates. You can see when you're going through the tax rates that the higher income you earn, the more you actually pay to the government. So the key thing is the more income you earn, the more tax you pay. But firstly, what we need to do is try and have it the opposite. When you earn more, you pay less tax. There's obviously different strategies to do that, but what we first need to do is look at what does actually tax mean to you? So we'll use an example of if you go to the movies. So when you go to the movies, you look at a movie ticket price of $13.50. Most people think that's the actual price they pay. But if you're on a top tax rate of 45%, the actual movies will cost you $19.78, not the $13.50 that the board's telling you. If we work our way down to the bottom tax rate, if you're earning a tax rate of 15%, it means you're actually paying $15.73 to go to the movies. So the key thing is when you're buying things, you need to actually understand the true cost, not the actual price tag on the item that you're buying. So is tax a friend or a foe? Well, most people really don't like paying tax. I personally do enjoy paying tax because it means you're actually earning an income. But there are ways for you to actually reduce your tax. Now, a lot of accountants talk about negatively gearing, and I often get complaints from clients when they go to see an accountant. The clients have actually advised to go and invest in something that's going to lose money, so you could do something called negatively gearing. Now, what I say that is doing is sticking your head in the sand like an emu. What you need to do is buy an asset that is going to grow in value, and if there is negatively gearing as a benefit, then that is exactly what it is, a benefit. It's not a reason to do it. Most people don't actually understand what capital gains tax is and really treat buying investments as a bad thing, because when you make money off it being a capital gain, you lose so much from it. But what we're actually going to show you today is an actual slide which shows you the difference between earning $100,000 income and actually earning $100,000 from an investment gain or a capital gain. If you were to earn $100,000, the actual tax rate that you're going to pay in tax is 41.5%. So the amount that you'll get net in your bank is $72,150. If we were to earn that as a capital gain, that same $100,000, our actual marginal tax rate drops to 31.5%, or $10,500, which means that you're actually getting just under $90,000 in your bank account, which means the difference between the two is a tax rate of 27% and approximately 10%. So you clearly can see that earning income from investments is a lot more tax effective than earning income from going to work and having to work 40 to 60 hour weeks for it. One of the things that we often get pushback from clients about is whether super is a waste of time, whether we should do it inside super or not have any super at all. One of the things that you need to consider is that super is a lot more tax effective. Outside of super, you're going to pay tax on all the income that you earn. So inside of super, it's taxed a lot more efficiently. But super is something to consider as you are ageing and getting closer to your retirement. Like with anything, if you're wanting more information about your personal situation, feel free to contact us at info@wealthfund.com.au, 1800 967 548 for further information. Look forward to seeing you soon.